6. I'm gonna say real good. You know we out here though. Fully.
Hampton Music.
I know, just kiss me there, go and build.
Brother, you know if you catch it?
Yes.
Yeah, dog.
Yes.
Watch more. What pre?
I pre no black and shine. So you go make boss.
Yo, watch out.
You from your pre figure you go. I'm play some ball. After nearly 15 years, I'm not beat for brother. Sorry for that goal.
Yeah, man, I saw things go, man.
You are green up pre-one.
Good. Yeah, dog, so I have a pre.
So you have volleyball and stuff.
Right, man.
So clean, so fresh. Outside.
I'm here say more thinking brother. Yo.
So saucy, me fresh. But dog, what the
Watch it from us, some of them out stink brother.
Dog, you know, name too fierce and too fresh.
You don't keep in touch with the function brother. You can't put a roll on the tongue.
Easy, brother. Easy, no man, no Musa.
You better play football.
Easy,
That's
dog.
it, man.
How to do, brother? You know about the new song. Intense, that boy,
No,
man.
you know your boy do song.
We sang.
Brush your teeth, brush your teeth.
Yo, buddy, yo, man. Man, I cut it. No.
We fuck around.
Where's the from boy, boy?
Do the rock stone. Boy.
Yeah, go plan me friend. What's a shot me thing, bang, bang.
Yo, brother, I'm not trying to come back here, brother.
Yo,
Move from that boy.
Yo, give me.
Move, brother. Easy, no dog. No, move. Sound with you, no dog. Yo, yeah. You remember where you come from?
Yo, me have something to give brother.
You all about the thing when I can't.
Yo, put this on your tongue, brother.
You know, I'm just one of them, some young boy. Buddy, I know that. Me feel say me I got direct me use that. Look at me.
Yeah, you that brother.
Police. What color? Pink, blue, red. I'll get you.
I'll green that. Look on the arm.
What color that?
I wish primary school go. Me that.
Alberto, yo, buddy, I mean, I'm not chatting because this not this man from here. Yo, look at me. Watch it from us. Oh my God, look from us.
Gang. One clan, you know what I mean? I don't know, say your boy Javon is aka Pumpkin Belly. And I'm here with.
Yeah, I don't know say Akim aka Butter. You see me? Yeah. I don't know say Black Shine is in the building. You see it? And right now, more big up to all my grandmother, you see me? And look at all ladies out there feeling single, just inbox me on WhatsApp and my number is 408-2547.
Dog hot like fire.
Outside. Don't know what pie aka Cripple.
Oh. Yeah, man. I'm more just want to shout out my producer Kyra. Just go check out the dog right on Instagram. You see me? At Kai_Plumber, you know what I mean? I don't know my Instagram already. Javon AJ Ines. Girls, just go check it out. Oh,
Yeah, man.
sorry, me
See
take it.
outside.
We out. Gang. We out, man. Oh, and shout out my best supporter, Tuana. And you don't know a thing, go. Zoe, big
Shout
up.
out my best friend Zoe and Penguin.
No. We not in that. Look at the man. Just shout out everybody who subscribe and like to my channel. And guys,
Yeah.
remember to
Shout
like
out
and
my
subscribe
best friend.
and share. Guys, I don't know a thing.
Don't know
We out.